In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and potentially lucrative business opportunity, the vending machine business. So whether you're looking to start a side hustle or a full-time operation, vending machines can be a great way to generate passive income. So let's get into how you can start your own vending machine business step by step. Benefits of vending machine businesses. First off, why consider a vending machine business? Owning vending machines is relatively low cost, requires minimal maintenance, and can be easily scaled. You don't need office space, just the machines and stock. Plus, the potential for profit is significant, with the vending machine industry generating over $23 billion in annual revenue. Here are some key benefits. Low startup costs. You can start with as little as a few $1,000s. Used machines and bulk buying stock can reduce your initial investment significantly. Passive income. Once set up, vending machines require minimal daily involvement. You can manage it alongside your primary job. Scalability. Start with one or two machines and gradually expand as you reinvest profits. This allows for controlled growth. Flexibility. Vending machines can be placed in various locations, from offices and schools to gyms and hospitals. Diverse products. Beyond snacks and drinks, you can stock healthy options, tech gadget, or even PPE. Imagine having a machine in a high traffic area like a school where students are constantly in need of snacks and drinks, or a gym where health conscious individuals appreciate access to protein bars and sports drinks. The possibilities are endless, and with the right strategy, you can create a steady stream of income. Choose your business structure. Before you get started, you'll need to set up your business structure. An LLC is a great option for its liability protections and professionalism. It also makes it easier to sell your business in the future. Here's why an LLC is beneficial. Liability protection. An LLC protects your personal assets in case of business debts or lawsuits. Tax flexibility. LLCs offer flexible tax options, which can be beneficial as your business grows. Professionalism. Having an LLC can make your business appear more credible to potential clients and partners. You can use services like Northwest or Tailor brands to simplify the LLC formation process. These services handle the paperwork and legalities, allowing you to focus on starting your business. You can go ahead and check out the special link down in the description to get started with either of these services. And be sure to use code Charlie Chang for an extra discount. Setting up an LLC might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward with these services. They guide you through every step, ensuring all legal requirements are met. This way you can avoid any potential pitfalls and start your business on the right foot. Now let's go ahead and walk through the process of getting signed up with Tailor brands, where you can save 35%. So what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and click on the link down below in the description, which will take you to this exact landing page right here, where you can get up to 35% off their paid formation plans. They do have a free light option as well if you want to consider that. So the first thing to do is go ahead and choose your state. So for this example, I'm in California, so go ahead and click on that and then click on claim discount. Then all you have to do is go ahead and select your business name and check availability. It looks like this business name is currently available, so go ahead and click on next. Now, one reason we like Tailor brands is because it guides you through the entire setup process. It's going to ask you various questions and recommend different services as you form your LLC. So here we can go ahead and just click on next. Now you can go ahead and skip a lot of these questions if they aren't relevant to your business. So I'm going to go ahead and skip these for now, but feel free to answer them according to your needs. Now here on this page here where it's asking what else you are planning to do for your business, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you select LLC, and you can also go ahead and select any of these other options here that you want to get help with. So on this page, go ahead, select LLC and click next. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this one for now. If you want a free business plan, you can go ahead and select that here. But for now, we'll go ahead, for this example, I'll just click I don't need a business plan and hit next. And just go ahead and fill out your information here and hit next. Now, Tailor brands will recommend various services. For example, they can help you obtain an EIN for you, or you can go ahead and do that yourself in about 10 minutes. For this video, I'm gonna go ahead and select I'll handle it myself and click next. Now, for the registered agent section here, you have the option to use Tailor brands, which costs $199 per year, or you can go ahead and use a different service. So you can go ahead and use your own address, but for now, we'll go ahead and just select I'll appoint a different registered agent and click next. And Tailor brands also offers an annual compliance package for $199 per year. It's optional and you can decide whether you need it or not. Tailor brands also offers branding toolkits, so you can go through their recommendations and choose what you need. We highly recommend getting the operating operating agreement for $29.99. And here you can go ahead and choose if you want the expedited filing time, which will happen in 2 days, or if you can wait 2 weeks or more, you can go ahead and save that money and click next. Again, here with the operating agreement, we highly recommend that you get one through Tailor brands. So go ahead, select that, click next. Here you can choose if you want the order my formation kit, or if you don't need the professional look, you can go ahead and select that and click next. Next, it's going to ask if you want to add a finance manager or if you want to manage your books and invoices on your own. And then from here, you can go ahead and select your plans. So Tailor brand offers 3 plans: the light, the essential, and the elite plan. So the essential plan is going to be the most popular, and it includes handling annual reports and faster processing times. So for this example, we'll go ahead and select the essential plans to get a discount. Okay, and as you can see, you're going to go ahead and get 35% off. So go ahead, create your account and your information, and review your selections. You can change any options before proceeding, and once everything looks good, just go ahead, click on continue to payment, and choose your payment method and complete the checkout. 3, consider your vending machine options. There are various types of vending machines to choose from. Food and beverage vending machines. These are the most common, offering snacks, sodas, and other drinks. They can be placed in offices, gyms, schools, and other places. Bulk vending machines. These dispense items like gumballs, stickers, or toys. They're low cost and very low maintenance. Specialty vending machines. These can sell anything from tech accessories to beauty products and even hot beverages. Start with 1 or 2 machines with a specific market focus to learn about demand and stock patterns. For example, placing a snack machine in a gym might mean stocking protein bars and energy drinks, while an office location might do better with a mix of snacks and other beverages. Consider the following when choosing your machine. Product variety. A mix of healthy snacks and indulgent treats can cater to a wider audience. Payment options. Machines that accept cash, cards, and mobile payments are more convenient for customers. Technology. Newer machines with inventory tracking can save you time on restocking and maintenance. Case study example. Imagine you place a beverage machine in a high school. During sports events, students and parents will appreciate having easy access to drinks. This could significantly boost your sales, especially if you stock popular sports drinks and water. Find the right location. The location of your vending machine is crucial. High traffic areas like schools, hospitals, airports, and office buildings are ideal. Think about places where people spend a lot of time and need quick access to snacks or drinks. Consider these factors when scouting locations. Foot traffic. The more people that pass by your machine, the higher the potential for sales. Competition. Ensure there aren't too many vending machines or food options nearby. Accessibility. Machines should be easily accessible to encourage use. Contracts. Some locations might require you to sign a contract and pay a commission. Negotiate terms that work for both parties. You can also look for locations on Facebook Marketplace or similar platforms where vending machines are already placed. Buying a machine with an existing location can save you the hassle of finding a spot, but make sure to verify the profitability of the current setup. Pro tip: visit the location during different times of the day to observe the foot traffic. This will give you a better idea of peak hours and potential sales volume. Acquiring your vending machines. Once you have a location, you'll need to get your machines. You can buy new, used, or refurbished machines. New machines cost more, but come with warranties and the latest features. Used machines are cheaper, but might need more maintenance. Here are some places to find vending machines. Manufacturers and wholesalers. They offer new machines with the latest technology and warranties. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon and Sam's Club sell both new and used machines. Marketplaces. Craigslist, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace are great for finding used machines. When buying used machines, always inspect them for functionality. Make sure all the payment options work, the machines dispense items correctly, and there are no major signs of wear and tear. Inspection checklist. Power on. Ensure the machine powers on and stays on. Functionality. Test each slot to ensure products dispense correctly. Payment systems. Check that the machine accepts and processes both cash and card payments. Conditions. Look for any signs of damage or excessive wear. 6. Stocking your machines. Next, stock your machines with products that match the preferences of the location. For example, protein bars and shakes for a gym or chips and soda for an office. Buy in bulk from wholesalers like Costco or Sam's Club to keep costs down. Consider these tips for stocking. Healthy option. Increasingly, customers are looking for healthier snack options. Include Include a variety of products to cater to this demand. Seasonal items. Adjust your stock based on the season. For instance, offer hot drinks in the winter and cold beverages in the summer. Local preferences. Tailor your products to local tastes and preferences. What works in one area might not sell well in another. Stocking example. In a college dorm, stock up on energy drinks, instant noodles, and granola bars. These items are quick, convenient, and popular among students. Maintenance and restocking. Regular maintenance is key. Check your machines at least once a week to restock and ensure everything is working properly. Investing in a vending management system can help you track inventory and sales remotely, saving you time and improving efficiency. Here are some maintenance tips. Routine checks. Regularly inspect your machines for issues like jammed products or payment failures. Cleaning. Keep your machines clean to ensure that they remain attractive and functional. Inventory tracking. Use a vending management system to monitor stock levels and get alerts when items are running low. Pro tip, keep a log of maintenance and restocking activities. This helps track performance and identify any recurring issues. 8. Create a website. A professional website helps attract clients and build your brand. Services like Hostinger and Squarespace make it easy to create a professional site. Hostinger offers affordable hosting plans with great performance, while Squarespace provides beautiful, customizable templates. Your website should include service details. Clearly outline what you offer. Include the types of machines and the products that you offer in those machines. Contact information. Make it easy for potential clients to reach you. Blog. Share updates and tips related to the vending machine industry. You can use our special link down in the description to get started with either of those website builders, and be sure to use code CharlieChang to get a discount with Squarespace. Now, if you want to get started with Hostinger, be sure to click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. If you click on Start Now, you can come here and choose between the different Hostinger plans, and for most of you just getting started, this premium plan will be more than enough. Once you click on Choose Plan, it'll bring you to the checkout page here where you can choose your term, either 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this option, we'll go ahead and select the 12-month option, and if you come down here to the bottom and you type in code Charlie Chang and hit apply, you're going to get an even greater discount. So for only $32.29, you're going to get a full year of web hosting through Hostinger, which is an amazing deal. 9. Secure funding. Starting a vending machine business doesn't require as much capital as many other businesses. However, you might still need some funding. Consider options like short-term loans or equipment financing. But if possible, try to fund your initial machines out of pocket to avoid debt. Here are some funding options. Personal savings. The best option to avoid interest in debt. Short-term loans. Quick funding with shorter repayment terms. Be cautious of higher interest rates. Equipment financing. Loans specifically for purchasing machines. The machines themselves often serve as collateral. Funding tip. Create a detailed business plan to present to potential lenders. This shows that you have a clear strategy and increases your chances of securing funding. 10. Market your business. Promote your vending machine business by networking with local business owners, attending community events, and using social media. Building relationships with location owners can help you secure more and better spots for your machines. Marketing strategies include social media. Share updates and promotions on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Local advertising. Use flyers, local newspapers, and community boards. Networking. Attend local business events and join business groups to meet potential clients. Case study example. Let's suppose you place a machine in a busy hospital. You can run a social media campaign targeting hospital staff, letting them know about the new snack and drink options available to them. Offer a small discount for the first month to encourage usage and build awareness. So that wraps up our how to start a vending machine business, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on business and side hustles. And don't forget to check out those links down in the description for more resources, as well as those discounts that we spoke about. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on businesses and how to get started with side hustles, so be sure to check out more videos. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.